Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today we want to walk you through this 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser. This has a nice light blue exterior. This is what they call the CW or center walkthrough. We've got the nice extended swim platform here at the back. And it is equipped with the Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke and also has the ski tow bar. This 230 Cruiser has the gray interior. Like I mentioned, this is the center walkthrough with dual helm seats. As you can see, we have a nice helm area. Clarion stereo, gauges, digital display, storage, cup holders, and then seating in the front. Come take a look at this boat at our Rogers location.